వచ్చిండేది మళ్ళీ
ఫస్ట్ చేస్తుంది సార్ శ్రీనగేష్ ఆఫ్లో
రాంబాబు ఇది కొంచెం పెద్ద చేసి
ఒకటి
A very good morning to all the committee members. The chairman of this Viva OC committee, Professor B. Nagesh, Department of Geography, Osmania University. Professor B. Ravi Prasad Rao Garu, Professor in the Department of Botany, nominated as Dean by our Honorable Vice Chancellor in the place of regular Dean. Professor B. Muralidhar Rao Garu, Department of Biotechnology, nominated as DYS Chairperson, as myself is having too many positions in this Viva OC committee. Welcome you all to this Viva OC committee. I request Professor B. Nagesh Garu to take over the Viva OC and go into the proceedings. Please, Professor Nagesh.
Good morning all. At the outset, I would like to thank the Vice Chancellor of Sri Krishna Deva University Anantapur and also the Head Department of Geography, Professor A. Krishna Kumari Madam, for inviting me as the chairman for this PhD Viva Voce. I request Vijay to please start your presentation and see that you highlight the what you call the main aspects of the aims and objectives of your thesis. I mean your research work, so that it can be easy for others also to understand and highlight the main important points only. Okay. So I request Vijay to start your presentation. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my Viva Voce chairman, Dr. Nagesh sir, Department of Geography, Osmania University, Professor Ravi Prasad sir, Department of Botany, Professor Muralidhar sir, Department of Biotechnology, SK University Principal, Head of the Department of Geography, and my research supervisor, Professor A. Krishna Kumari Madam, academic consultants, research scholars, students, and other participants. Coming to myself, my name is K. Vijayudu, research scholar, Department of Geography. Today, my title is Spatial Analysis of Population in Nagpur district, with special reference to municipalities. First chapter of introduction. According to
objectives for details.
my this main objective demographic aspects of Anantapur district, the spatial distribution of working population in Anantapur district, taking Mandal as zero, the patterns of workforce in the rural areas of Anantapur district, to study the working population of population, the working population in municipalities of Anantapur district, to propose suggestions for the qualitative and quantitative development of working population in Anantapur district. Data collected. Secondary data has been collected according to 2011 census from the census report, district handbook, and other government records and websites. My research methodology to study the demographic workforce, working population of Anantapur district, municipal corporations, and other municipalities. Relevant data has been provided with statistical techniques like averages and percentages. Increase or decrease of some population between inter-census period have been calculated for male and female population, literacy level, population density, etc. Taking Mandal as a unit for 2001 and 2011 census period, data regarding to rural area has also been analyzed using the same technique. The rural workforce has been discussed at length with regard to male workers and marginal workers and their subcategories for all villages of the district. The working population of all the rural corporations and the municipalities of the district have also been adopted. Next paragraph, the tables have been extracted from the above said data after analyzing using simple statistical techniques. Necessary maps and diagrams have been run using GIS techniques. Chapter 2. Here practical prospect of the study.
అదేం వద్దులేము స్టడీ ఏం వద్దు.
Sixth chapter.
Sixth chapter working population of
అప్పుడే సిక్స్త్ వెళ్ళిపోయాం.
Madam, study areas ఒకటి ఉన్నాయి.
ఏరియా అయిపోయింది. తర్వాత
remove process.
అచ్చా, ఒకసారి కన్క్లూజన్స్కి వచ్చినావా?
లేదు మేడం. Study
చేద్దాం చెప్పా. థర్డ్ చాప్టర్కి వెళ్ళండి.
Demographic aspects of Anantapur district. Third chapter. Demographic according to 2011 census, the district has 40 lakhs 81,000.
మెటీరియల్ చెప్పేశారు.
The density of population in the district is 213% per square kilometers. Anantapur district literacy rate 63.57% of the total population. Civil caste population 14.29%. Civil tribe population 3.78% of the total population. Chapter 4 working population of Anantapur district. Spatial distribution of total workers. Anantapur district total workers are 9.90% of total population. Male workers are 59.25%, female workers are 40.65%. Marginal workers are distinguished from main workers, but those who did not work for at least 180 days in 12 months from the date of census taking according to 2011 census. Male workers are 82.79%, marginal workers are 17.51% of the total workers. Non-workers 50.190% of the total population. The main workers are subcategories, cultivators, agricultural laborers, household industry workers, other workers. The marginal workers 17.51% of the total workers. Distribution of male and female workers among the total workers. Male workers are 59.85% of the total workers. High concentration of male workers in 10 mandals. Female workers are 40.65%. The maximum percent of female workers in normal mandal. Distribution of male and female workers among the total male workers. Distribution of cultivators among male workers. The total number of cultivators 22.26% is the male workers. The high concentration of cultivators among male workers in 28 mandals. Highest percentage is Nallachuru mandal. Distribution of male and female cultivators to the total cultivators. Male cultivators are 70.08% of the total cultivators. High concentration of 10 mandals. Female cultivators are 29.9% of the total cultivators. High concentration in 3 mandals. Distribution of agricultural laborers to the main workers. Agricultural laborers are 8.88% of the total main workers. High concentration in only 2 mandals. Distribution of male and female agricultural laborers to the total agricultural laborers. Distribution of household industry to the main workers. High concentration household industry workers are mostly engaged in silk sarees, weaving and other works. Distribution of male and female household industry workers to total household industry workers. Male household industry workers 0.99%. High concentration in female female household workers 37.01% distribution of other workers is not
Diagram same చూపించట్లేదు.
next step.
పెట్టలేదా?
The category of other workers other workers are not covered under cultivators, agricultural laborers, and household industry workers.
అర్థం చేస్తావా? మంచిదని
The total number of part-time workers is 15.5%. Distribution of male and female marginal workers among the total marginal workers. This is the concentration of marginal workers to total workers according to 2011 census. Distribution of non-workers. The district of non-workers and working population are almost equal. The percentage of 50.1% and 1% from the total population. Male non-workers are 9.8% total non-workers. High concentration of male non-workers in 7 mandals. Ankapuram district concentration of total non-workers to the total population according to 2011 map. Chapter 5. Rural workforce in Ankapuram district. Overview of Ankapuram district is according to 2011 total workers 49.89% of total population, male workers 59.35%, female workers 40.65%, marginal workers 70.51%, non-workers 50.11%, male non-workers 1.25%, female non-workers 58.54%. Overview of population distribution. Digital model population is 46,000 85% marginal connected mandal total workers 4%, main workers 87%, marginal workers 13%. Notified villages maximum and minimum deheated mandal maximum workers deheated minimum connected mandal maximum workers connected minimum workers village. Marginal workers village wise highest percentage of marginal workers, lowest percentage of marginal workers. Tens of village workforce main workers majority 80 to 95% of mandal. Marginal workers option are very low in some villages, example Jakarta and Mexico. Overview of mandal population and worker distribution. Total mandal population worker proportion. Population highest mandal, lowest mandal. Next. Total workers across mandal. Key mandals with high worker number, highest mandal, lowest. Workers are percentage of population range from 2% to 59%. Then among workers, main workers, marginal workers. Main workers highest percentage in village, environment budget, minimum percentage, code multi, yellow. Marginal workers highest concentration in Malabai, completely access to village life, village. This is the village-wide working population. Bar diagram, population is total workers, main workers, marginal workers. This is the pie diagram. This is the village-wide working population. Total population, total workers, male and female workers. Village-wide working population, male workers, female male workers, male marginal workers, female marginal workers. Next, this is the pie diagram. Mandal-wide workers, main workers, main and marginal workers, mandal main workers, 73.5, total workers, marginal workers, 57%. What is the main worker 765? Marginal 64%. Village wise working population in Chennapalli, highest population in Chennapalli, lowest population in Ramanagar. In Ramanagar Mandal, highest population in Tiru, lowest population in Makkinagar, main workers in the highest village, Peshapalli, lowest population in Ramanagar village. Conclusion: urban rural majority of workers in urban villages within each mandal, rural wise have a higher percentage of marginal workers. Worker distribution trend. Many workers constitute a large portion in most mandals. Marginal workers appear to vary based on the development and infrastructure of villages. Chapter 6, Working Population of Municipalities and Municipal Corporation of Anantapur District. The study covers 6 municipalities and 1 municipal corporation, municipalities Rayagad, Guntakal, Anantapuri, Hadri, and Dharmavaram. 1 municipality is Anantapur Municipal Corporation, that is Anantapur Municipal Corporation. Population is workers distribution. Anantapur Municipal Corporation is the highest population, lowest population is Rayagad. Dharmavaram Municipality is the highest percentage of workers. Anantapur Municipality is the lowest percentage of workers. Worker category, main workers highest in Anantapur Municipal Corporation, marginal workers highest in Dharmavaram Municipality. Population distribution, workers and non-workers. Guntakal Municipality and Hindupur Municipality and Anantapur Municipal Corporation. Total workers is 5.09%. Non-workers is 4.91%. Highest in Ward 6, lowest in Ward 54. Distribution of total workers to non-workers municipalities corporation in Anantapur district according to 2011 census. Name of the population of district workers non-workers. Highest population Anantapur corporation, lowest population in Rayagad. Total workers Dharmavaram lowest population. Anantapur municipal corporation non-workers highest workers. Highest population in Anantapur, lowest percentage in Dharmavaram municipality. Main workers and marginal workers in municipalities, main workers, highest number of main workers in Anantapur municipal corporation, lowest table. Next. Distribution of main workers of Anantapur district according to 2011 census. Name of the municipality, total workers, main workers, marginal workers. Main workers, highest percentage in Anantapur Municipal Corporation, lowest percentage in Dharmavaram Municipality, marginal workers, highest percentage in Dharmavaram Municipality, lowest percentage in Anantapur Corporation. Overview of Municipal Corporation. Rayagad Municipality is 17 wards, Kadri Municipality is 89,512. In 17 wards, Rayagad Municipality is 14 wards, Amol Municipality is 2 wards, Guntakal Municipality is 53 wards, Hindupur Municipality is 5 wards, Anantapur Municipal Corporation is 28 wards. Distribution of main workers and municipality according to 2011 census. Rayagad Municipality main workers 97.6%, Ward 14, lowest Ward 30, marginal workers highest in Ward 3, lowest in Ward 40. And the Tarpattur Municipality main workers highest in Ward 11, lowest in Ward 40. Marginal workers in the highest in Ward 60, lowest in Ward 11. This is the Anantapur district, Rayagad Municipality Ward map. This is the Kadri Municipality Ward map is showing wards in Kadri Municipality. Tarpattur Municipality Ward map, Dharmavaram Municipality Ward map, Dharmavaram Municipality, Guntakal Municipality, Hindupur Municipality, Anantapur Municipal Corporation. Dharmavaram Municipality main workers highest in 16 ward, lowest in 7 ward. Anantapur Municipal Corporation main workers highest in Ward 2, lowest in Ward 1. Marginal workers highest in Ward 47, lowest in Ward 22. This is Guntakal Municipality Ward map. This is Anantapur Municipality. This is the Anantapur Municipal Corporation Ward map. 3 wards. Main workers, employment distribution. Agricultural laborers, 10.2% household industry workers, 2.48%. Other workers, 4.24%. Highest agricultural laborers in world, highest household industry workers, 41%. Hindupur municipality contributes 0.4%, agricultural laborers 5.82%, household industry workers 14.52%, other workers 6.92%. Highest household industry workers 47%. Anantapur municipal corporation cultivators 4.28%, agricultural laborers 4.27%, household industry workers 4.0%, other workers 19.2%. Highest household industry workers Ward 1. Distribution of subcategories of worker among main workers in the municipal corporation Anuppur district. According to 2011 census, name of the municipalities, main workers, cultivators among main workers, agricultural laborers among main workers, household industry workers among main workers, other workers among main workers. Highest cultivators among main workers, municipality, lowest in Anuppur municipal corporation, agricultural laborers among main workers, highest in Guntur municipality, lowest in Anuppur corporation. Household industry was covered among others, highest is percentage in Dharmavaram, lowest percentage in other workers among main workers. Highest percentage in Anuppur Municipal Corporation, lowest percentage in Dharmavaram Municipality. Water workers employment distribution. Look, distribution of subcategory of workers among water workers in Anuppur district according to 2011. Marginal workers, labor, household workers, other workers. Highest marginal cultivators in Hindupur municipality, lowest in Kanpur municipality, agricultural labor, highest percentage in Guntur municipality, lowest percentage in Anuppur municipality. Other workers, highest percentage in Anuppur municipal corporation, lowest percentage in Dharmavaram municipality. Chapter 7, conclusion. Conclusion solutions. Recognizable variations are found in the demographic aspects of Anuppur district at mandal level. For the detailed study, this direction need to be taken. Male or more male study area. Detailed workers parties can also be identified in the future with a comprehensive idea about the population aspect. Within the whole population also, differences are to be studied in the detail. Similarly, both racial and demographic differences are also observed. This is also part of the demographic organization. Parity in sex ratio is here. Another interesting topic of also study. Next, the literacy rate of the is not increasing relation to state rate. Short-term and long-term must be introduced in this direction. Gender differences rates are also to be understood. Basically, the upper level are very noticeable, which are to be given to the idea. Noticeable differences among working populations also appear in these districts. Reasons are to be found in this direction. Only for 10.92% of the total population is estimated as total workforce in the district. Male workers are dominated of female. Gaps are to be identified in this direction and indicated gaps are to be introduced. In Anuppur district, agricultural laborers are maximum in percentage with 38.80%, followed by workers and cultivators. Nearly 60% of the main workers are engaged in agricultural activities. Need to change this by introducing new livelihood to have new standards of life. Essential studies to address these issues may be conducted by the in the detailed study of rural many institutional aspects of the appear. Some of the remote access to the behind the other levels of the population, total workers, marginal gender distribution, and so on. Suitable plans in schemes of the fill this gap, uplift these remote villages. The present study also focuses on the urban workforce where again changes are reported. Main workers are concentrated more in municipal corporations and minimum in municipality and vice versa in the urban workers. The gap which are existing directions are to be addressed by first-hand necessary information. Maximum of total workforce appeared in Dharma municipality, 40% total population, where most of them are engaged in business by manufacturing of silk sarees. Further, further measures to achieve their living standards and work income levels, student skills, etc. are to be executed to fill up the gaps. More percentage of production levels are observed in rural municipality and the least in Anuppura Municipal Corporation. The planning agency have planned in a way develop this area further. Next. Maximum percent of cultivation are observed in Kadi municipality and the lowest is Anuppura Municipal Corporation. Planning strategy to be introduced accordingly. Household industrial workers are more in work followed by individual the skills of household industrial workers in Dharma municipality are to be increased by introducing schemes and plans to enhance their skill levels as most of them are involved in business of making industry. Thank you.
Yeah, Professor Srinivas,
Madam.
he has completed his presentation.
Yeah, madam. Yeah, madam. I'm seeing, madam. So, one thing I would like to ask Mr. Vijayadu, you have mentioned about the different municipalities and their workforce in nature. It would have been better if you had compared with the literacy levels of these municipalities and the workforce levels, because that would have given a good, clear idea about how the population is responding to the changing times and the with changing professions. So you said Dharmavaram, actually, as everyone knows, it is basically involved in sari making, and it is natural that most of the people are engaged in the sari making industry, household industry only. So, what is the education levels of those people who are involved in this? Because nowadays every household, I mean, all are what we call engage. I mean, are educated. But how many people, educated people, are involved in sari making industry? That would have given a clear cut picture about the main workforces that are more in Dharmavaram district.
Yeah, certainly in his future studies, he will take up that aspect, Professor Nagesh. Really, your suggestion is appreciable.
Madam.
Certainly, he will take up in his future studies.
Nice, nice. Okay.
Any questions from the audience? Sir, maybe. Professor Nagesh, please introduce yourself.
Madam, sir, good morning. Sir, good morning, sir. Sir.
District is Anantapur.
Not exactly.
You just correct it.
You can do that.
So, Professor Nagesh, here is another professor, Professor V. Muralidharan.
Sir, good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Thank you very much, Chairman of the OSCP. I don't have any questions. Thank you,
sir. Right.
Vijay, I have one question actually.
Yeah, please.
Marginal workers mean
who did not work for at least 183 days in preceding year. Hello? Who did not work for at least 183 days for a given year.
Preceding year.
what are the difference between the marginal workers and main workers?
What are the differences?
The opposite.
183 days is highest.
More than 180 days.
Main workers. More than 180 days working, main workers.
Okay. Thank you.
Sri Nagesh. Professor Sri Nagesh.
Madam.
No questions. And
Yeah.
even in the adjudicators also, there are no queries.
Yes, madam.
Yeah. So
Yes.
Professor P. Sunita, one of the adjudicators,
Madam.
she has not given any questions to be asked in the Viva Voci.
Madam.
Another adjudicator, Professor Nagaraju from Mysore University.
Madam.
He has mentioned only one query that the maps are not having latitudes and longitudes.
Yeah,
That is
madam.
the only query he has given in his report. Other than that, there are no queries regarding the education report.
Madam.
So, thanking you very much for spending your valuable time and also with your
Thank you, madam. Thank you, madam.
which will be very, very helpful for his future studies. And I also thank Professor D. Ravi Prasad Rao Garu and in charge UOS chairperson, Professor D. Muralidhar Rao Garu, for being present in this Viva Voci. So I thank everyone who have attended and spending their time to attend this Viva Voci. Thank you all. Thank you, Professor Sri Nagesh.
Thank you, madam. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you, madam.
Open.
Actually, yes,